Welcome back now to Primetime Sports Monday. Let's run off with horse racing. After a hard-fought battle with rival Jason Acosta, Anthony Nunes retained his trainer's title for a second straight year. This after saddling upsetter Golden Wattle, the first filly since Princess Popstar in 2013, to victory in the Jamaica 2-year-old stakes at Caymanas Park on Monday. Denise Walters was at the track and filed this report.
The curtains came down on a very exciting 2021 local racing calendar with a nail-biting finish to the trainers' race. Defending champion Anthony Nunes, who regained the lead on Sunday, landed another big purse to put an unassailable $3 million gap between himself and Jason Acosta. Nunes' 10-1 Chestnut filly was held just behind the leaders going a mile, and when shaken by jockey Tevin Foster, Golden Wattle rattled the 8-horse field.
They drive toward the final furlong. It is Perfect Brew. Here comes Golden Wattle on the outside, and Golden Wattle, the filly, now picks up the lead from Perfect Brew. Brinks is over against the rail. It is Golden Wattle opening up a length over Perfect Brew. It is Golden Wattle. What a surprise. She wins it over Perfect Brew.
The champion had high praises for rival Acosta.
Jason came in March, and I thought he did an unbelievable job. For what he did in 9 months is iconic and legendary. You know, he's a fantastic racehorse trainer. He cannot make his dad more prouder than the way he represented him for the 9 months that he's been training. And it's not if he's going to win championships, it's how many Jason is going to win. He's the future of Caymanas Park, and we're going to be looking up at him for a long, long time.
One of two winners for Nunes, Golden Wattle returned 1 minute 40 flat, winning by 2 lengths.
I knew the horse. I ride her the third time now, which the first time I rode her is when the 7 furlong, the same cash pot race. I had a lot of interference in that race, so she did perform at her best. The other day, she got a race and she came home victorious. In that preparation, from then, I know she was very competitive in this because she got more relaxed from then until now.
Oh, he rode her magnificently. I mean, he knows her inside out, and he's right. In the second leg, she got interfered with from the gate to the furlong pole. So, and she only got beat 8 lengths. It's not that she ran badly. And she came back because of difficulty in training her. We ran her in the die job, and she fortunately won when Philip Fiani's horse, Jockey's, lost his stirrups. But she gets a distance of ground, and she stays a mile. Her mom stayed a distance of ground, and so we felt obviously that we would be in the top 4. But I'd be lying to you if I told you I expected her to win.
Meanwhile, 2-1 choice Father Patrick landed the Chris Harmon Sprint, an open allowance graded stakes event going over 5.5 furlongs.
Come thundering into the top of the lead, a quarter of a mile to race, and it is Victory Turn battling to hold the lead. Father Patrick and Nuclear Noon now throwing down challenges. The band is racing out wide, over on the rail in the red with the yellow cap. That's God of Love, but Father Patrick leaves the furlong pole with that lead, hounded by Nuclear Noon and Laban toward the rail. That is God of Love. Father Patrick driven to the max. God of Love creeping closer all the while, but the wire's here, and Father Patrick wins it.
One of 2 winners for jockey O'Shane Nugent, Father Patrick, conditioned by Ian Passard, just got home by 3/4 lengths in 1 minute 5 and 4.
This was an important race for him. Kind of puts the icing on the cake. I almost feel like he could have raced the last 5 races undefeated. Just a small minor hiccup maybe 3 races ago that caused us to change a rider in the Port Royal Sprint. But, you know, that's how it is. He's reunited back with a jockey who knows him very well. I'm extremely happy for the win today.
Jockey Robert Hallidine rode a 4-timer. Racing continues on Saturday, New Year's Day. I am Denise Walters reporting from Caymanas Park for TVJ Sports.